Welcome to the first part of this Dagger tutorial series. In this video, we're going to explore the app that we're going to refactor to use Dagger. First, download or clone this project. I'll post the link in the description box below. After you open your project in your Android Studio, run the app on a device or an emulator. Our app is super simple. It connects to a GitHub API to fetch some details of the user using the GitHub username that we enter in this field. For example, I'll enter my own GitHub username, press search, and it shows my name and the number of public repos. View repositories will list all of my public repos. And now let's dive into the code and see what it looks like. So we have two packages, user details and repos. User details contains the necessary classes to fetch and show the GitHub user's name and the number of public repos. And repos package is responsible or contains the necessary classes that fetch and show the user's repositories. I encourage you to pause this video and take your time to explore the code. After you explore the code, you'll notice that in each of our activities, if you look at user details activities, you'll notice that our own create methods are doing a lot of work. So our goal is to move all these instantiations out, out of our activities and instantiate them elsewhere and provide these dependencies directly to our activities. In the next video, we'll start by refactoring this app using the simplest approach of Dagger. If you're interested in this series, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you'll be notified when the next part comes up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.